I'm going to work with a couple of exercises today that I want to share with you how to develop those exercises into more and more useful and more functional exercises. These are exercises that you already use, but I think by thinking of them in a slightly different way, we can advance our students and our horses pretty easily. And we're going to start with something that's natural to the horse. So sometimes when they can't take that big step to the next degree of difficulty, you break that up into smaller steps. We take a horse from something that comes natural to the horse and we link it to the behavior that we want to create.
When horses are learning a new skill, okay, they don't know what we want, so they're going to start guessing. Moving away from pressure is a learned behavior, it's not natural. When I start off working on a horse's pivot on the forehand, we're going to do little tiny baby steps. Body language is important here. That's the movement we want. We want those shoulders to move over. We want those legs to cross over if we can. And then we're going to stop. In order to teach a behavior, you have to get a behavior. You cannot teach them to do something you cannot get them to do.